Wie lange sind wir jetzt schon hier?
10 Monate.
10 months? Or 12? I've lost track of time.
Still no inquiries.
But the description was good.
Charming location with potential. Yeah, that always worked. Back in 2004.
How long has the listing been online now?
We're in month 12.
Stable phase. Totally normal.
But no one has contacted us.
Yes. 2 people saved it.
1 almost called.
But I wanted to sell.
Patience. Real estate takes time.
We did everything.
Everything. Really?
We kept rewriting the text.
Took photos with a phone.
Posted it once on Facebook.
That was everything?
No, we even bought a new camera for better photos. Another poorly marketed property. 12 months on the market. What was that?
Enough waiting?
Now it gets sold.
Who are you?
The ones who create demand. Hosted video presentations.
High detail exposés.
Social media marketing.
Demand. Before the property even goes online.
Fewer showings, higher prices, shorter time on market. Ready to sell the right way? Yes. Please.
Und Joseph, Trinity und T. Präsentiert.
This apartment, reserved at the very first viewing. What other agents couldn't achieve in 12 months. Before the listing was even online. Sold above market value.
We don't just sell properties. We make them desirable. Our on-site valuation is free, with up to 95% accuracy. Book your free appointment now and sell your property the right way.
Ein Jonker.
Im Wanka.